Alright, some of the guys want to know just how loud this train horn system gets. So what we got is a VIAIR 380C pump, 3-gallon tank, 1/2-inch line, 1/2-inch brass valve, 2 Seige Engineering train horns, 17 and 21 inches long. I got a Quest Technologies 2100 sound pressure meter. We're going to set this thing to max, so to record the maximum SPL. And we're going to see just how loud we can get here. Alright, we're about 100 feet here. Let's see what we get. Alright guys, 92 decibels, about 100 feet. We'll reset it. Three gallons of air goes a long way. Alright, about 50 feet here. Big baby. Wife in the truck waiting on me. Alright, ready to roll. Here we go. $95. Alright, get a little side view here, big baby. Alright, about 25 feet. Alright, we'll reset it here. And here we go. What you got there? Got 106 decibels. Now, if you just wanted to be a sadistic bastard and have someone walk in front of the truck while you blow this thing, here's what you would get. 115.